How to ensure the quality of patterns printed by sock printers. To ensure the quality of the pattern printed by the sock printer, you need to pay attention to the following key factors. Printer selection. Choose a printer suitable for textile printing, ensuring it has high resolution and good color reproduction. Professional sock printers use digital direct printing technology and can provide high-quality printing results. Ink. Use inks suitable for textiles. These should adhere firmly to the sock fabric and not fade or come off easily after washing. Sock fabric. Choose a fabric that is suitable for printing. Some fabrics may absorb ink or dye better and provide better printing results. Printing preparation. Make sure the socks are clean, flat, without wrinkles or stains before printing to avoid defects during printing. Print settings. According to the material of the socks and the characteristics of the printer, adjust the print settings such as ink flow, print speed, and heating temperature to obtain the best printing effect. Post-processing. After printing, appropriate color fixing treatment is performed, such as heating with a heat press, to ensure the durability and washability of the pattern. Wash test. The printed socks are tested in a wash to ensure that the pattern maintains its quality during daily use and washing. Maintenance and cleaning. Perform regular maintenance and cleaning on the printer to ensure that the print head and other parts of the machine are in good condition to avoid degradation of print quality. Software and design. Use high-quality design software and graphics and make sure the resolution of the print file is high enough to get a clear print. Through the above measures, the quality of the patterns printed by the socks printer can be ensured to the greatest extent.